Ayurved and the Health Ministry over the company's dubious claims on its medication, the Supreme Court has now issued a show cause notice to co-founder Baba Ramdev to be physically present in the court, taking strong exception to Patanjali Ayurved and Acharya Balakrishnan for not filing response on contempt proceedings. The top court said consequences will follow. The apex court has scheduled the next date of hearing after 2 weeks, but the date has not been specified yet. Remember, the Supreme Court has been hearing this case for a year now. The Supreme Court had issued a contempt notice about its misleading ads about hypertension, diabetes and other ailments. Patanjali had assured they would withdraw the ads, but there was no response to the court officially. And that's where now a show cause notice has been issued. I'm being joined by Harish at this point again. Harish, this has been a back and forth in the court. But as this emerges at this point, Harish, it seems a very clear violation of what the court had directed Ramdev or Patanjali for that matter in terms of responding to the court, which Patanjali, Ramdev or Acharya Balakrishnan haven't done so. Isn't that what the matter is, Harish?
Yes, that is very right, Sneha. In fact, the Supreme Court has caught the Patanjali Ayurved, Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishnan, who happens to be the managing director of Patanjali, caught on the wrong foot twice for back-to-back violations. On February 27, as you rightly said, the Supreme Court had pulled them up for continuing to publish, give misleading ads as far as their products are concerned. They had claimed that their medicines can eradicate, not only cure, eradicate diseases like hypertension, arthritis, obesity, and Supreme Court questioned how can you, and also they were accused of running down allopathy medicine. Supreme Court said, yes, very well, you can promote your medicines, but how can you run down, how can you defame the allopathy medicines? That just cannot be allowed. And also why these misleading ads, despite we in a November 21, 2023 order restraining you from publishing any such ads. That was violation number 1. And today, violation number 2. On February 27, as you rightly said, Supreme Court had issued contempt notices and sought the response for continued violation. Today, they did not file any response. So today, taking very serious view of it, Supreme Court has said both of them, Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishnan, should be personally present in the court on April 2. That is the next date of hearing. Supreme Court took umbrage on the fact that neither they are obeying the court's orders, restraining them from publishing any more misleading ads. Number 2, even after issuing a contempt notice, they haven't replied to the contempt notice, so let them be present, personally present before the court on April 2. That is the next date of hearings now.
Right, Harish, thank you very much for giving us those details.